Kay Miss Julian. Hi, Alwin Ignacio of Daily Preview. Gusto mo bang iuwi ang Best Actress para sa pelikulang Espantajo?
Aba, parang lahat ata po ng nominado gugustuhin naman, di ba? Pero siguro napaka-cliché kung sabihin kung okay na maging box office na lang kami. Napaka-plastic naman din kung sasabihin kung hindi ko nais magkaroon ng award, di ba? But kung ano ang nakikita ng horado, kung kanino siya dapat mapunta, doon ako nagtitiwala. Naniniwala ako maganda ang project namin and binitbit namin ang isa't isa sa proyektong to. Kung ano magiging resulta sa dating ng awards night, napaka-bonus na talaga nun. Being included in this wonderful film, ano na yun eh. That alone is a reward and a gift already for Christmas and for everyone. Yung award, napaka-ano na yun, buong-buo na siguro yung 2024 kung nagkataon.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Alwin. We have questions here from Cebu. From Januar Aguha, the Freeman Cebu, to Miss Chanda. Being from Cebu City, what is your advice for Cebuano actors who want to make it big in showbiz?
Ay, para ninyong tanan. So, pagbasa mo, bahala na bumalik mo sa comics, read and read aloud talaga and speak Tagalog as often as you can. Practice makes perfect. Sorry.
Right. Bongga. Thank you, Miss Chanda. Lastly, kay Direct Chito from Januar pa rin, from the Freeman Cebu. You have directed many iconic horror films. What is the key to making a horror movie that the audience won't forget? And how Espantajo stands out in your stacked filmography?
Oh, sabi nga, secret. But Espantajo is up there in importance and in quality. I think Bobo Espantajo is an experience. But there's really no secret, honestly. When I work on a film, may pakiramdam ako na it's something new for the people to enjoy. And I've been fortunate that nagsaswak naman yung ideas ko sa gusto ng mga tao. I remember Feng Shui. When I presented Feng Shui, much like this, daming tanong anong ibig sabihin ng Feng Shui. At that time, hindi nila alam anong ibig sabihin na yun. Tapos ngayon, I present Espantajo. Nagtatanong na naman kayo, anong ibig sabihin nun? Well, lesson learned. We will all know what it means very soon. Promise.
Thank you, Direk. Curious ako, anybody scared here of scarecrows? Wala?
Hindi sila farmers.
Hindi sila farmers.
Nakapag-peste
Hindi
ka,
sila
matatakot.
peste.
Pero may iba kasi natatakot din dun di ba? Parang yung image na yun.
This being a horror film, it is also about women empowerment. Tanong ko po kay Miss Chanda and Miss LT, yung depende po sa role ninyo, how is this a movie that promotes women empowerment po? Miss Chanda and Miss LT.
Okay, as Adele and the intelligent she was once a teacher in the university. She's power herself, and through the whole she's bordering on medyo overly confident and may superiority complex, but she wants to run everything and everyone's lives. So may over siya ng konti na but she's strong and maprinsipyo siya that way. And she will carry that through the whole film up to some point again. Okay pa.
LT?
Miss LT.
Si Rosa.
Oh.
Si Rosa ang ang hirap sabihin.
May spoil, di ba?
Hindi niya pwedeng pakawalan ang pagmamahal niya sa kanyang anak. Yun ang unang-unang motivation niya, yung pagmamahal sa anak niya. Tapos, ipaglalaban niya ito kahit hindi niya kaya, pero kakayanin niya. Ganon. Paglalaban niya lahat, basta tungkol sa anak niya. at saka tungkol sa karapatan ng pagkatao niya. Yun. Kasi second family, so ako.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Meron pang junket ng mga stars na sumutanong para, yes.
Yeah, actually,
di ba? Yes.
Correct,
Yes,
JN.
thank you, MJ. Ikaw na ba?
JN, kasi mamaya
Thank you,
magkakaroon pa tayo
Tanong.
ng junket. So we'll bring the stars sa mga tables para ma-interview ng mga ating makasamahan sa press. So we're just wrapping it up. But si Alwin Ignacio muna, and then we'll have questions from Visayas and Mindanao. So we'll do Alwin first.